Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert all lines same length and in Affinity Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, go to Outline page, then go to the Tools section and we can see here many tools. Now I am select the Shapes drop down menu and select the Rectangle tool. Then draw a rectangle to this page. Now we can see this shape color. We change this fill option and select another color. Now I am select the black color, then click outside of the shape and select the move tool. Then click right button on our mouse and copy the shape. Then again click right button, then paste and move in some down. Then again paste this shape and move in some down. Now we can see the all line length is same. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.